Hi everyone, want to turn the plain text into a scroll stopping videos? With Nim.video, you can do it in minutes. No editing skills needed. So let's get started. First, head to Nim.video and sign in with your Google or email account. Then click plus create new video. And Nim lets you turn text prompts into a full video scenes automatically. Then after that, enter your prompt or script. Choose script to video or prompt mode and type something like this. And Nim will auto-generate a video layout with scenes. And here you can also customize the video. You can add avatar, voiceover style, you can tweak the scenes, the text placement and visuals, and also you can add background music, subtitles, and more. Then after that, hit preview and check your video. And then if once satisfied, click render to finalize. And that's it. That's how easy it is to turn simple prompt into fully produced video with Nim.video. Try it out and start creating content faster than ever. If you found this very helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.